welcome to a vlog. I'm Coleen Alicia. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. So I'm actually at the nail salon because we've had enough of these, right? I don't know want to see my next and I chew me hold the phone with the next and my hand look terrible. So Marina go fix me. So I'm here. I'm actually early for the first time ever. It's 9:06. My appointment is at 9:15. But maybe just go in still and just settle down and whatever and get it done. I'm actually early because I took Kyson to summer school and you know that's an early setting. So I just do one thing. I'm just gonna go home. But yeah, let's go. So I'm finished at the nail sec and these are my nails. I don't know already, me's a simple girly. So now I'm gonna get something to eat because I'm starving, literally starving. It's 12:22. I have to pick up Kai by 2, so go find someone to get something to eat. Alright guys, so I stop at Devon House, come feel for one patty, one of them patty, one curry goat patty. So I'm gonna get that and just chill here Sophia a bit until it's time to do the pickup. Now it's 12:42, so I'm probably leave here about 2 o'clock. Got a shrimp patty and got a bread pudding. I never tried them bread pudding before, but I'm a bread pudding girly. Hopefully it tastes good. No, the patty tastes good. I'm gonna get a water. I don't drink juice. Day in the vlog. I'm hoping I this freaking tripod is not working out. This tripod is not working out for me. Hey y'all, it's that time again where we go grocery shopping. So I'm going to Price Mart, Shoppers Fair as usual, and the meat shop. So I'm heading out now, 9:28. I have my crossbody bag. I'm gonna take it off. I'm going to drive in it, and we're gonna just go, hurry up and come back, and yeah.
Take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm sides, cause I'm trying breaking it. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoulder, recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said baby I'm a dog, she said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a dog.
Finished with Shoppers Fair, the supermarkets. I'm now in Price Smart to pick up 10 things. 10 things. So I'm getting agave and some other little stuff. I'm gonna show you when we finish. Yeah. Came home, packed out the groceries, all of that, but I didn't want to show it to you guys because I feel like I'm showing all of that time and time again. I'm not tired to see my grocery all and nothing. I'm not really new, not really in it. You know what I mean? So, but I found something at Price Smart for my Matcha girlies. I found this California Farms Matcha Almond Latte. I'm not gonna lie, I was kinda apprehensive, but it's not bad, and it's 80 calories for 12 ounce. You don't need 8 ounce if you really drink, in all honesty. So it's not bad at all. So what I do, I froth my my creamer. This is the creamer that I use. 35 calories per tablespoon. I'm not gonna tell you say 1 tablespoon I use. I'll probably use 2 or so. I'm gonna just froth it and put it on the top. And it's really good. I'm not lie. I thought it was gonna be, I'm thinking that gonna be horrible, but it tastes so good. So if you wanna try for my Matcha girlies, when you can try this. It's at Price Smart. But yeah. So as I'm gonna say, I'm home. I'm about to just do some work, chill out, and whatever. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make the matcha that I told you guys about yesterday.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. You understand what I need is Coleen. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. Always on my mind, yeah. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time. When I see you,
They're laughing in the truck. My love, my dear.
Boy, little girl. Hey, control our skin now. All that good bar. For a long time now, man.
Goal! You were over here, sir.
If they miss one look at 2 bills also, the stand will probably fall.
True.
But people them are tuning to YouTube.
Yeah. You been tube.
Remember that pay 5 bills and get a 1 day service. Hello, don't you still like kind of vegetarian? Run the farm!
Try now.
Yes, sir.
Girl, you can flop yourself. Just give it up.
Nothing you're not doing, nothing. Pass the ball, girl.
Look at the ball, girl. Don't make them take it from you.
Look at the ball. Hey, look at the ball, girl.
Girl, because who?
Shall look for somebody for
Hello,
us.
no man level. What was that?
Because of the body bang. Hello, look at Nashina.
Give us Sarah Lalan.
People don't realize. At 21, she'll wear.
Hey guys, so I feel like the vlog has been all over the place, round and round, up and down, but when I literally when I find the time for come to and just sit and talk. So right now I'm getting ready to go to the beach. Yesterday we went to the Premier League, Women's Premier League football semi-finals. It was good. Get a few clippings of that and whatever, but like for sit down and talk to you, must simply not getting the chance to do that, and the vlog keeps dragging out. I'm hoping alright though. Today is not such a hot day. It's kind of cool-ish. It's about 1 o'clock. We're headed over to Portmore Harbor Beach, so we'll get some clippings of that and stuff like that. So guys, the family's here.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I love some music, but I just can't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm making up late on my best side, and it's okay for you. Take a day or two, get your mind together. Sing it with me, say all to Jesus. I surrender all to thee. I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live. Yeah, I surrender all. Ooh, I surrender all. Yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. I'm in awe. Oh my God, you amaze me. You're the bomb, and I just be setting the stage. So let me get out the way, 'cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in a daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning. 'Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't command my own name, 'cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game to trying to selling tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus. I surrender all to thee. I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live.
No, of course, everybody know Connie cream that. Everybody has to know say Connie.
You get it, Coleen?
I surrender all.